welcome into the studio. I am Anne here from Anne Makes. I hope you will consider subscribing to the channel if you like videos about how-tos, DIYs pertaining to arts and crafts, and product supply hauls and product box openings. You can find that here and you don't want to miss any of that. So if you click on the bell that YouTube shows until it moves, YouTube will know you wish to be notified whenever I post new content. So today I have a unboxing and a bit of a drill with me video to share with you. Today I have a product unboxing to share with you. I have a diamond art painting from Leisure Arts. The Leisure Arts is an official supplier of Diamond Dots products, and this is a project that I was working on during the Christmas break. I received this product from Leisure Arts a few months ago, and I've just gotten around to doing this video now. And this is a full drill project. It is a Christmas themed. It was part of their Christmas theme line that came out in 2019. And it is, does it say the size? The finished size is 12 by 12. So it's a very nice size canvas to work on, and it will be a very nice one to frame if I choose to do so. And to see what's inside the, to see everything that came in this box, and to see how I set up this painting so I could do my diamond art painting while sitting on the couch with my family watching Christmas movies and other kinds of movies, of course. That is in the next part of this video, which has been pre-filmed. So enjoy. The Diamond Art Diamond Paint by Number Holiday Edition. It is a Diamond Dots brand. It is a full drill. It is Santa's Sleigh, 12 by 12 inches. And in a moment I'm going to show you how I set it up on my Cricut light pad. And oh, here you could see a small picture of the completed design, the completed canvas, I should say. So as I already mentioned, I use my light pad from Cricut. They call it the Cricut Bright Pad. And I like to use this one because it's very lightweight. And it's actually just the perfect size for these 12 by 12 sized diamond paint canvases. And what I do is I use some big bulldog clips and I clamp them to the light pad with the canvas. I just fold the other end of the canvas underneath, and it doesn't damage the canvas. It's fine. Now I'm just plugging in my light pad because I want to show you how nice it is to do the diamond painting when there is a light source coming from beneath the canvas. What I do when I want to do some diamond art painting, let's say away from my studio, or I want to go sit on the couch and be with my family at the same time, I take my canvas, and usually I do this for smaller size canvases, not much bigger than this one at the most, and I will clamp it to the Cricut Bright Pad with some bulldog clips. As you see, I just peel back a bit of the plastic covering there from the top, or whichever side I'm working on, and I add the clip. I just put down one of the arms in the back, and I attach a bulldog clip on each side. I don't put any on the bottom. I don't find it's necessary if the canvas will stay rolled under like this one is doing. Uh, Otherwise, if not, I will put a clip at the bottom, but I find it just gets in my way when I'm working, so I prefer to just put them at the sides. And this works really well for me, and it's usually very comfortable. And there I'm showing the difference when you turn it on. It's really helpful to see all the symbols on the canvas, especially when you're working with darker colors like this one. There's black and like charcoal color, and please excuse the black fur ball that's going by. That's Snowball the cat. Um, and I'm just putting the tray down like that because I don't want her walking on the uncovered canvas. So that's just temporary. So there's my little basket or bin with my labeled bags that I kitted off camera to prepare my project for um, to prepare this project, I should say. So now I'm showing you, you can see the key very well on either side of the canvas, and I'm just picking out the bag that corresponds to the color of beads or gems or drills that correspond to the symbol I've chosen to work on next. Oh, and here I'm showing you that what I love about the Diamond Dots by Leisure Arts projects is that there is no sticky residue along the edge of that inner frame. That black line that you see going around the entire design, it doesn't have any stickies, so I do not have to worry about anything other than my beads sticking to where they're supposed to stick. Nothing else sticks there. I don't have to put any tape, unlike some other brands. The other thing I really like about this brand of diamond art painting is the wax. This is a Diamond Dot wax. It often comes in a little pot like that. And I've tried some other waxes from other companies' kits, and I find that this one is my favorite. I like how I just fill up the applicator tool and the drills stick. It picks up the drills very well, or the gems or the beads or whatever you want to call them. And I can do that for quite a bit, for quite a good moment in time, until I take a break basically and fill it up again. So here I'm just removing cat fur. Oh my goodness. And I'm showing you, I'm just applying the round beads to the areas on the canvas that correspond with the matching symbol. And this is how I work. I try to limit the movement from the tray to where I actually have to stick the bead or gem or drill. I don't know what to call it. And it's less tiring. It's less effort on my hands and wrists. And I just find this way very comfortable. I can do this while sitting on my couch. I will prop up the light pad on a little like lap desk that's like half cushion, half desk. So it's at an angle, and I will work very comfortably sitting on my couch. So, and I can plug, the thing is I can plug in the cable, the USB cable that comes with the Cricut light pad into a USB plug that is on the side of our couch. It is just that we have plugs on the sides of our couches in our living room, which make it really convenient for us to not only charge our devices, but to use other products that, like this one. I hope you liked this video. If you did, I would so appreciate a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share if you care. Also, all links pertaining to this diamond art product from Leisure Arts will be in the description below, as well as just one link to Leisure Arts. Please consider that Leisure Arts is an affiliate of mine, so they do pay me a small commission for any referral, so thank you very much in advance if you do choose to purchase from them. So I hope you will consider subscribing if you haven't already, and of course, as I already asked, if you like this video, please say so. Any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below, and I do reply to them all eventually. So thank you very much for stopping by today. Go get your diamond art painting on. It's so much fun. It's very addictive. And until next time, my dear friends, stay crafty. Thanks for watching.